Echoes in the dark. The puzzling sameness of abduction craft. The universe is vast, filled with wonders we are only beginning to grasp. Yet here on Earth, a persistent mystery unfolds. People from diverse backgrounds report extraordinary experiences. They claim to have been taken by beings not of this world. These are UFO abduction accounts, often sharing striking, specific details. One of the most common threads is the description of the craft itself. Many abductees, often strangers to one another, describe a similar vessel. It is not just any flying saucer. Instead, they speak of a massive, dark, triangular object. This craft often moves silently, hovering ominously. Its appearance is distinct and frequently reported. Why this specific shape? Why this particular design? The consistency begs for an explanation. This shared vision of a specific type of ship is truly fascinating. It makes us pause and wonder about the source of these images. Are these memories real? Are they fragments of dreams? Or is something else at play here? Exploring these accounts requires an open mind and a critical eye. The phenomenon of UFO abductions is controversial, certainly, yet the patterns within the testimonies are undeniably intriguing. The recurring image of the black triangle ship stands out. It challenges our understanding of reality itself. Inside the enigma anatomy of the triangular visitor. Witnesses report a large black triangular shape. Its surface is matte black, blending into the night sky. Lights at the corners are often reported. The interior is sterile, with a low, persistent hum. The mind's mirror, could it be mass hysteria? Now, we must consider the human mind. It is a powerful, creative, and sometimes suggestible organ. Could these shared experiences be a product of psychology? One theory often proposed is mass hysteria, or perhaps more accurately, a shared cultural narrative. This idea suggests that stories, once seeded, can spread. They can influence what people believe they see or experience, especially during times of stress or uncertainty. Popular culture plays a significant role in shaping our collective imagination. Movies, television shows, and books have depicted alien abductions for decades. These depictions often include specific imagery. Could it be that these media portrayals have created a template? A template that the subconscious mind draws upon? If someone has a frightening or confusing experience like sleep paralysis, their mind might fill in the blanks. It might use these culturally available images of aliens and their ships. This is a plausible psychological explanation. Section 4. Beyond belief. Challenging the hysteria hypothesis. The mass hysteria theory has its challenges. Consistent details in black triangle reports are hard to dismiss. Even isolated individuals report similar specifics. This uniformity suggests more than just cultural influence. Section 5. A persistent pattern. The unsettling question of the triangles. So, where does this leave us? We have a disturbing pattern. On one hand, there is no confirmed physical evidence of these black triangle ships. No wreckage has been presented for scientific analysis. No undisputed photograph or video has surfaced that satisfies rigorous scrutiny. The claims remain in the realm of testimony. And testimony, while powerful, is not the same as empirical proof. Science demands evidence that can be tested and verified. Yet, on the other hand, the consistency in these abduction reports is compelling. The repetition of the black triangle, its pulsing lights, the sterile white halls, and the humming machinery is hard to ignore. It is a global phenomenon. People from different cultures, different ages, and different backgrounds tell remarkably similar stories. If it is not mass hysteria entirely, and if it is not a shared delusion, then what is it? This is the core of the mystery. The lack of hard evidence keeps this topic on the fringes of mainstream science. However, the sheer number of consistent anecdotal reports creates a kind of data in itself. It is qualitative data, pointing to a phenomenon that is, at the very least, a fascinating psychological and sociological puzzle. And perhaps, just perhaps, something more. The universe has surprised us before. It will likely surprise us again. We must keep questioning.